Alright, today I'm cutting this hillside, brush clearing. It's got some smaller size diameter trees on it, but it's a pretty steep hill. You'll notice it once I get done. It's a pretty good steep hill on it. I don't know if a regular sized bobcat with a forestry mulcher would climb that hill or not. I'm gonna find out with my machine here soon enough. I'm gonna capture that here on the video and I'll get that going here in just a second, but you can kind of see it goes down this pretty steep driveway. So I'm gonna get as much as I can with the machine. May have to come back with a chainsaw. And you can kind of see that's what they're going for all the way up the hill here. So you can see the driveway. So there you go. I'm gonna get my tripod set up and you can see this thing in action. And it's me, John Schott, gonna be doing the brush clearing. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. So here's about 5 minutes, maybe we'll say 10 to 15 minutes of brush clearing on this hillside. I went down, kind of got the top edge first to see how far I can go down and then work my way down. I just go until my tracks start slipping and then I start scurrying back up the hill. If I don't, I just keep rolling down and start back over. So, but thankfully I didn't have to go through the brush on my machine. That gets kind of prickly. Anyways, there you go. That brush cutter does a pretty good job. I'd be curious to see if anybody out there watching this, if they got a full-size bobcat, if it would hold that hillside. That machine's so low to the ground, it's got a pretty low center of gravity, so you can kind of see what it can do. And I've never actually done anything this steep, so there you go. Might as well get in the video here. Know who's doing the job. Thanks for almost getting to the end here. You can see the hillside now a little better. It's all clear. And of course, every brush clearing job I do, I lose the track on my machine. It doesn't matter, one or side or the other will always fall off. I guess that's just part of doing a brush clearing job. So I'm gonna show you a little hyperlapse video of me changing this track off here, or putting this track back on. Thanks for watching. Alright, this job's all done. I'm gonna blow off the driveway and get out of here. So there you go. Nice clean hillside now. People can see down the driveway. Customer, and they can see anybody coming up. I think it turned out pretty good. Give me a call if you need any brush cutting. Hillsides. Great for honeysuckle. Have a good day.